Good morning. It's Khalilah with the six of us. I just wanted to share real quick. Here's a sneak preview of a project I'm working on. Um, I had this idea of putting bookshelves on my wall. Excuse my mess. But I had this idea of putting bookshelves on my wall. And for some reason, I decided I was going to do a DIY project. And so my oldest son and I went over to the hardware store and we had these boards cut. They're like 2-inch thick, and I got them cut in 3-foot sections. And so now I've decided, instead of keeping the yellowish color wood because it clashes with our walls and with our floors, I'm actually going to do a paint on all of them. As you see, I'm in the process of painting them. And while I'm doing this, I was listening to a podcast that I wanted to tell y'all about. Sister Circle podcast. It is a podcast that's done by Crystal Evans Hurst. If you've heard of Dr. Tony Evans, it's his oldest daughter. It's Priscilla Shire's older sister. She has a group called the Sister Circle. And so it has been, I have a cousin that has used this word a lot, which I think is so cute. It has been quite therapeutic. It's spring break. The kids are kind of doing their own thing. And I am out here having a therapeutic moment, listening to other women who run businesses, who have families, and these podcasts are amazing. They're talking about just how you do all the things and what are better ways of doing things. So if you haven't heard of it, check it out. It's a podcast. I listen to it on Spotify. You can listen to it. I think she has a Facebook group, Instagram, YouTube, so you can find her anywhere. And it is an excellent listen to. And while you're at it, maybe pick up some boards or something and get cutting. All right, so I'll keep you posted. When we get a little further, I'll make sure to post some videos of our progress.